Every travel agency promises the best service, 5-star reviews everywhere, guaranteed satisfaction, but here's the uncomfortable truth. Most travelers can't tell the difference between great service and a terrible service until it's too late. And by then, you are stuck in a foreign country dealing with a nightmare that could have been avoided. We are Jetto Vacations and we have been in a travel industry for over a decade. In that time, we have seen it all, the good, the bad, and the disasters that never should have happened. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to separate the companies that truly deliver exceptional service from those who are just really good at marketing. Because here's what nobody tells you. Identifying great service before you book the incredibly difficult. Think about it. When does service quality actually become visible? When things go wrong. If your flight lands on time, your hotel has your reservation, and your driver shows up when they are supposed to, you might think, wow, great service. But was it really great service? Or did just thing happen to work out? Sometimes it's just luck. The truth is, even a poorly managed company can deliver what looks like a perfect trip 60, 70, maybe even 80% of the time. Weather cooperates, no mechanical failures, no mix-ups. Everything seems fine. But that other 20-40%, that's where the real service company separates itself from the pretenders. A truly great service company delivers flawless trips 98% of the time or more. The mediocre ones? They might be down to 70%. But until you become a part of that unlucky percentage, you will never know the difference. Your neighbor raves about agency X because their trip went smoothly. What they don't know is that another customer is currently stranded at the airport because that same emergency forgot to reconfirm their booking. So how do you identify the exceptional service before you book? It comes down to understanding what real service actually means. Let me break down the specific elements that separate the professionals from the amateurs. Great travel service isn't about fancy brochures or sleek websites. It's about systems, accountability, and genuine care for your experience. Here's what you need to look for. First, the foundation of great service, systematic double checking. A professional agency doesn't just make your booking and move on. They verify everything. They double check your flight timings 48 hours before departure. They reconfirm hotel reservations directly with the property. They verify your airport transfer is scheduled with the correct flight number and arrival time. Why does this matter? Because mistakes happen, systems glitch, hotels overbook, drivers forget. A great service provider catches these issues before they become your problem. Ask your potential travel agent, what is your verification process for bookings? If they can't give you a clear systematic answer, that's a red flag. Because companies have checklists, confirmation protocols, and dedicated staff whose job is to simply ensure nothing falls through the gap. Second, watch out for the itinerary shuffle. Some agencies will secretly modify your tour to maximize their profits. They'll rush through actual attractions to save on guide time. They'll skip certain points of interest that don't pay them commissions. And here's the big one. They'll add extended shopping experiences at stores that give them kickbacks. You paid for the actual experience, but you are spending 3 hours at a carpet shop instead of exploring the historic temple. A transparent service provider will show you the exact itinerary upfront to stick to it. They won't pressure you to shop. They won't hurry you through the highlights to save money. Ask this, will we have any mandatory shopping stops? And how much time is allocated to each attraction? A good agency will be upfront about this. A bad one will be vague and dismissive. Third, and this is huge, driver quality and reliability. Your driver can make and break your entire trip. We have seen it all. Drivers who show up and are late with no explanations. Drivers who are rude and uncooperative when you ask reasonable questions. Drivers who constantly push You toward restaurants or shops where you earn commissions. Drivers who can barely communicate in any language you speak. And drivers who lack basic hospitality skills and treat you like a cargo instead of guests. This isn't about your comfort. It's about safety and security in an unfamiliar place. Professional travel companies vet their drivers carefully. They require background checks. They train them in a customer service and cultural sensitivity. They monitor performance, take guests' feedbacks, and remove drivers who don't meet standards. Ask your agency, how do you select and train your drivers, and what happens if we have a problem with our assigned driver? If they can't give you the specifics, or if they say don't worry, all our drivers are great, be cautious. That's not a system, that's a blind hope. Fourth, vehicle quality and contingency planning. Some companies cut costs by using old, poorly maintained vehicles. You might not think that matters until you are stuck on the side of a mountain highway in the middle of somewhere with no air conditioning and no backup plan. A reliable service provider maintains their fleet properly. Regular servicing, clean interiors, functional air conditioning, and most importantly, backup vehicles available if something goes wrong. Because here's the thing, vehicles break down. It happens. The difference is whether your agency has a plan to get you back on the track within an hour, or whether you lose an entire day of vacation. Ask, what is the typical age of vehicles in your fleet, and what's your backup plan if a vehicle breaks down? The answer will tell you everything about their operational maturity. Fifth, and this is critical, legal compliance and proper licensing. Some agencies save money by using unregistered vehicles or unlicensed drivers. This is more common than you think, especially if you are solely focused on reducing prices. Why does this matter to you? Because if something goes wrong, an accident, a breakdown, a legal issue, you have no recourse. Insurance won't recover it, authorities won't help you. You are completely exposed. Beyond the legal risk, unregistered operators are unstable. They are more likely to suddenly disappear, cancel at the last moment, or provide inconsistent service because they are operating in the shadows. Professional companies operate above board. They have proper business licenses, registered vehicles, insured drivers, and transferred operations. Ask directly, all your vehicles and drivers properly licensed and registered? Watch their action. A legitimate company will answer confidently and provide documentation if requested. A sketchy one will get defensive or try to change the subject. Sixth, and perhaps most important, the support system when things go wrong. This is where you truly see the difference between great service and mediocre service. When your flight is cancelled at midnight, who can you call? When your hotel claims they won't just have your reservation, who's going to fix it? When you have a medical emergency, who is going to coordinate help? Great service companies had 24/7 support with real humans who can actually solve your problems. Not just an emergency number that goes to voicemail. Not just a chatbot that gives you a generic responses. Real people with authority to make decisions and fix issues. They respond promptly, they show empathy, and they take ownership of the problem even if it isn't technically their fault. They keep you informed throughout the resolution process. Ask these questions. What support is available if something goes wrong during my trip? And can you share an example of how you have handled a travel emergency for a client? Their answer will reveal whether they have real systems in place or whether they are just winging it. And here's a pro tip. Check their reviews, not for the 5-star everything was perfect reviews, but for 3-star reviews whether something goes wrong. How did the company respond? Did they fix it? Were they defensive or solution oriented? That tells you everything. Let me add one more point that often gets overlooked. Proactive communication and transparency. Great service providers don't wait for you to ask questions. They anticipate your needs. They send you detailed information before your trip. They update you if anything goes wrong. They are transparent about costs, limitations, and potential issues. If an agency is vague, slow to respond, or seems irritated by your questions during the booking process, imagine how they will treat you when you are mid-trip and need of urgent help. Communication style during sales is the preview of communication style during service. Pay attention. Now, here's the reality that makes it so difficult for the travelers to judge. A truly exceptional service company might deliver the perfect, problem-free trips 98% or 99% of the times. A mediocre company might achieve that 70 or 75% of the time. That means even the bad company is making most of their customers happy most of the time. So when you read reviews, when you talk to your friends, you are mostly hearing from people whose trips went fine. But you don't hear from the 25 to 30% who had problems, or if you do, they are drowned out by the majority who got lucky. This is why you can't just rely on star ratings or testimonials. You need to ask the right questions. You need to understand the systems behind the service. Because when you become a part of that unlucky percentage, you will wish you had done your homework. Now let's talk about something nobody wants to hear. Good service isn't free. If someone promises you 5-star service at 3-star prices, be skeptical. Really skeptical. The economies don't work. Quality vehicles cost more to maintain. Professional drivers deserve proper wages. 24/7 support systems require investment. Proper licensing and insurance cost money. Double checking and verification take time and stuff. Companies that deliver excellent service charge appropriately because they are investing in all these things that make your trip smooth. Companies that cut corners on price are cutting corners somewhere in their operations. Maybe it's vehicle maintenance, maybe it's driver vetting, maybe it's their support infrastructure. You might save a few thousand rupees upfront, but if you end up stranded, stressed, or missing key parts of your vacation, what is it really worth it? This doesn't mean the most inexpensive option is always the best. It's not true either. But it means you should be suspicious of prices that seem to be good to be true. So let me recap what you now know the most travelers don't. You understand that great service is about systems, not promises. You know to ask about verification processes, driver venting, vehicle maintenance, legal compliance, and support infrastructure. You know to look at how they handle problems, not just how many problems they avoid. You know that quality costs money and impossibly low prices are red flags. This means you are now equipped to ask the right questions. Don't be swayed by marketing slogans and service guarantees. Don't just look at star ratings and testimonials from people who got lucky. Be wise, be thorough. Evaluate the operational reality behind the promises. The companies with real systems and genuine commitment quality will welcome your questions and answer them confidently. Travel should be about experiencing new places, creating memories, and broadening your horizons. It shouldn't be about stress, disappointment, or feeling like you got scammed. The industry has plenty of companies making big promises, but now you know how to identify the ones who actually deliver. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos where we break down the travel industry secrets. We are committed to educating travelers so you can make informed decisions. And if you want to experience what truly professional travel service looks like, the kind built on systems, transparency, and genuine care, contact us. We would love to show you the difference that a decade of experience and a commitment to quality can make. Safe travels, and remember, great service isn't an accident, it's a choice. And make sure you are choosing wisely.